Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the practice 5 of multiples and factors. Okay. So in practice 5, what is that? Divisibility. Divisibility rules. Okay. So there are some rules to identify this number is divisible by any number or not. Okay. First, divisibility by 10. Any number that ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Okay. Any number. They give example 20, 230, 4560. So all ends in 0, right? So these all number are divisible by 10. Okay, remember, any number that ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Okay, next, any number that ends in 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. Okay, 25, 35, 45, 65, then 2400, 3480. So all numbers are 5, 5, 0, 0. All numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. Next, divisibility by 2. What is that? Any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. Okay. So any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 8. So 0, 0, 10, 5, 2. Remember. This number is divisible by 10 also, 5 also and 2 also. Okay. Divisibility by 3. So if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number is also divisible by 3. Okay. How to do that? First you have to count this number. Okay. For example, 396, 396, 3 plus 9 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Okay. So therefore, 369 is divisible by 3. So we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. And in the same way, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible. So in the same way, the number is, we have to add the numbers. Then if it is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9 itself. Okay. Understood? So next we will see practice 5. Okay. Test divisibility as directed. Write yes if the number is divisible or no if it is not. By 10. First we have to see these numbers are divisible by 10 or not. Okay. 95. No. So there is no rules. So if the the number ends in 0, then it is divided by 10. Okay. 180. Yes. 200. Yes. 8010. Yes. 9820. Yes. So understood? Next, divisible by 5. What's the rules of the 5 division? If the number ends in 5 or 0, then this number is divisible by 5. Let's check it out. 125. Yes, it is divisible. So number ends in 5, right? 328. No. 205. Yes. 3255. Yes. 5553. No. Okay. Understood? Next, by 2. What's the rule of by 2? How to identify? If the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then this number is divisible by 2. So all even numbers. Okay. 854. So ends in 4. Yes, it is divisible. 1424. Yes. 1563. No. 985. No. 28,609. 8. Yes. Understood? Next, divisible by 3. What's the rule of divisible by 3? First we have to add the numbers. 2465. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. We have to add this. 17. 17. Is it divisible by 3? We have to multiply 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So 17 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Understood? No. Next, 8031. 8 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1. $12. Yes, it's 3 fours are 12. Yes, it's divisible. Understood? Then 5007. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. Yes, it's divisible. Next, 38,541. 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. $21. Yeah, it's divisible. Okay. Yes, it is divisible. Understood? Next, 59,643. 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. Yes, it's divisible. 27. Understood? Next, In the same way you have to do by 9. Okay. $3,813. 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3. 15. 15 is divisible by 9? No. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Okay. Next, 4,698. 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. 27. It's divisible by 9? Yes, 9 threes are 27. Yes. Next, 60,921. 60,921. 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. 18. Yes, it's divisible by 9. Next, 23,704. 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 0 plus 4. No, it's not divisible by 9. Next, 62,532. 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. Yes, it's divisible by 9. Understood? For this, we finished our lesson multiples and factors, lesson 5, and worksheet is available in my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group link is in my description. Okay, so we finished our 5th one, multiples and factors. Tomorrow we will see fractions. Okay, thank you.